your Christmas
No,
present?
it can't.
She can't?
No, it's somebody else.
Somebody else has to do it? Oh, little Wonder Woman can do it.
We never have those.
Well, you know what that is? It's like a little bowling set for the baby. Hey, Taylor.
Another bowling set.
Do you like it?
It's gonna be another bowling set.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No. Now it's like a tower. It's like a tower of animals. You put them on a...
Mommy, look.
Cool. These are neat. And then you...
Mama, thank you.
Aww. You're famous and you say thank you. Do you like that?
Mommy, open this one.
Okay.